Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm showing you our brand new Storyteller Kit from February. I'm going to go through the layout first that Maria's done for us. She's amazing, and then I'll take you through what you get in the kit. So Storyteller Kits are kits to tell your story for the entire year. So this is the February one. We've already got the January one, which is available if you want to go back and do the January one. But the idea is to scrapbook lots of photos, just your everyday photos of the things that you have done. So at the end of the year, you have a whole story to tell of that year. So this layout, Maria's got these cute little pockets that she's made, and then on the back of the tickets she's written about what the photo's about. It is, oops, sorry, wrong spot. It is very cool. Okay, now I don't know where that came from. It came from in there. And same in here, so it's very cute. And then these little tickets, she's written journaling on the back as well. There is full step-by-step instructions for these to make this double page layout. So let me take you through the kit now that you have seen how beautiful the layouts are. So in your Storyteller Kit, you are getting the instruction book first. So there is great photos of each side of the layout, so really big photos, all the products and written instructions. And there are 3 full pages of step-by-step photos. So you can really see how she made the tags, everything through here, all the close-ups, the step-by-steps. You are getting some of our rhinestones, some of our twine, a packet of creative cuts. These are our steampunk ones. Some of our doilies. So you don't get full packets. It's just everything you need to make the layout. You have got some tickets, just to keep the cost down. This is Charming Accents paper. This one is Sunkiss. This one was from Summer Holiday. This one is from Summer Sonata. This is the Delighted Tags and Titles. This one was from Garden Path. This one's Veggie Patch. That's that side we used. This one is Houseplants. On that side, and these two, the backing ones, these are from the beautiful Juniper and Sage. So that's everything in the kit. These are great for time poor people because you might only have time to do one layout a month, and if you're going to do that, let's capture the month before. So all of those photos you've got on your iPhone, print them off, and let's make an album of your entire year. So these are on sale now. If you're a subscriber, you can add these onto your subscription, and you do save a little bit of money. There is no subscriptions for these. You just purchase them every month. We put them up and you just jump on our website and grab them. Thanks guys, till next time, bye.